Hi there. This video briefly covers opening and editing documents using DocHub, a Google add-on. DocHub is an application that allows you to edit and modify PDFs and other files in various ways. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use DocHub to add text to PDF and how to add or merge pages into one document. First thing you need to do is open a file in DocHub. If you don't currently have DocHub, you simply need to add DocHub to your connected apps. From within your Google Drive, you identify a document that you'd like to edit or modify, and then you go to your connected apps and click DocHub. All right, so now that you have this document open, if there are fields present in the document, you can go ahead and type things in to those fields. And if there are not fields available, you can use this text tool, and it'll create a text box for you to write something. Oops. All right. So I don't need that text box there, but I just wanted to show you that if there isn't a box available, that you can use this text tool in order to create a space for you to write. Okay. Now that you've done this, we're going to go ahead and change the name of the file because we're going to save this document not as the blank, but as your new file. So I'm going to rename the file so that I know when I go back and open this that it's actually going to be the document that I've been working on and not the blank. This is actually really helpful when you're working on a shared document or everybody's using the same template. Now that you've added text, you're going to want to save it. And I'm going to save it back to Google Drive. You have to identify where you want this to go. It doesn't automatically put you back like exactly where you're putting things in. So you just have to identify the file where you want it saved. And it'll give you the option to show that document in the drive or in the file that you saved. Now that we have this file, we've started to edit this file, we want to be able to go back and use it. But like I clicked on it and look, there's nothing in the fields that I've created or that I added. Oh, look, there is something. That's okay. But we want to go back and edit it some more. Okay, so I'm going to open it back up in DocHub so that I can finish adding text. Now, you guys have been working on this assignment for a while. So we want to make sure that we open the file that's already existing and not start over with a blank template, right? Okay. So you can work on this periodically and click things and continue to update it, and it will save in the form that you've created. One of the additional functions of DocHub is the ability to add or merge files from different documents into one file. For our IRB proposal assignment, you're required to attach appendices such as consent and assent forms, data collection instruments such as surveys or interview questions, as well as a copy of your human subject certificate. Let me demonstrate how this works. So up here on the left hand, you see page controls, and that will show you all of the pages of your actual IRB proposal, Form 1 and 2, right? But we have all those other documents that we actually want to add. At the bottom here, there's this little icon that says Add or Merge Documents. I'm going to merge and insert a file that already exists. Okay. Now, DocHub allows you to connect to all sorts of places to add files. I happen to have everything in my Google Drive, but if you had something saved directly on your computer or in Dropbox, you could absolutely grab files from there too and merge them in. Okay, so I typed in that I wanted to go back to my tutorial video materials. All right, I'm going to put these in a list. There we go. So this is the file that I'm currently trying to edit or modify, so I don't want to add that. But perhaps you had to work on your Form 3 and you wanted to add that. Then you click Append. All right, and once you hit the Append button, you should be able to see that this is Form 3 of our IRB proposal, and those pages have simply just been added on. Now, because we're in DocHub, we can go ahead and edit the document in here as well. Here you see that there are some identified fields, but because this was a Word document and not a PDF, this would be a place where you would have to go in and use the text box to go ahead and fill in the fields here. Okay, so thus far we have our IRB forms 1 and 2, 1, 2, and 3, excuse me, but we still need to add additional files. So I'm going to go ahead and add a couple more right here. We're going to add in some more stuff from the Google Drive. So again, I have my other options. I want to go ahead and add in my consent form, append. All right, so again, we hit append. Now I'm a little concerned here because it says that this document is 193 pages long. So I'm going to show you what happens when we end up getting documents or pages that we don't actually want. Okay, so this is a page that we don't want. We could just delete it. I just hit the delete button. And as you can see, I clearly made some sort of error, so I'm hitting the shift key and deleting a whole bunch of pages that I don't actually need. But you can also use this as a way to move pages around. You can drag and drop pages into the different areas. You can move these files around and even rotate the pages as you need. Once you have the document exactly the way that you want it, this would be the document that you could submit with all of your pages attached. Hopefully now you have a basic overview of the functions of the DocHub Google add-on, and you know how to edit PDFs and merge files from multiple documents. Thanks for watching.